Hey everyone, today we are going to cover how to add friends on Valorant. Whether you want to team up with buddies or make new friends, we have got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, launch Valorant. To add friends, you'll need to open the social panel. It's the little icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on it. Now, you'll see a dialog box where you can enter your friend's Valorant username and tag. Make sure you get the username and tag correctly. It's case sensitive, so be careful on typing. Then click on plus icon to send request. Your friend will receive the request, and if they accept it, you will be friends in Valorant. If someone sends you a friend request, you'll see a notification right here in the social panel. Click on the notification to view the request, and you can either accept or decline it. You can also add friends in the game lobby. Right on the player banner, then click Add Friend. Your friend will receive the request, and if they accept it, you will be friends in Valorant. And you can easily invite each other to games and chat within Valorant. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our 5-minute solution channel for more videos.